Hi everyone. Today I want to sharing. A lot of customers ask me, this is the arm we installed at the gate there. Why he need this thing bracket so long to hold to mounting the arm? Actually, this bracket is very important. The bracket it make the arm easy to push the gate. Example, this is a gate. This arm is 9 pounds. I use one hand. I need to carry it, no way. Maybe I'm two hands. If I'm using the bracket, I can leverage. How to leverage? Example, like I using one hand now, I try to carry this. I use the bracket like this. You see, I very easy to carry because my hand like the arm. I'm swing behind a bit, straight away I can carry this, even though it's a 9 pound with one hand. The formula is the same. We're using this kind of bracket. It's a leverage your whole gate. So the arm will last longer and it got more powerful. And some folding gate is a trackless. So trackless, normally the gate, we install the arm at the side. But trackless systems, some is installed at the center. Like example, this is a gate. Install at the center, yes, very easy to carry, see? Yeah, that's why some tracker system, we prefer install at the center, that one using different technology. So this is what I want to share. Thank you. Bye-bye.